Types of nouns. Nouns are everywhere. Nouns are words that name animate and inanimate objects. Types of nouns. Nouns also name ideas, qualities, feelings, and conditions. A noun is a word that is used to name an object. Concrete noun. Example, tree, substance. Material noun. Example, cotton. Or idea. Abstract noun. Example, peace. Words that are nouns are broadly placed under following groups: common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, singular, plural, collective nouns, compound nouns, gender specific, and gerunds. A noun may belong to more than one group. A common noun is the word that names a class of person, animal, place, or thing. A collective noun is the word that names a group of people, animals, places, or things. For example, the zebra strayed away from its herd. Here, the zebra is a common noun and herd is a collective noun. A concrete noun is the word that names a thing that can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. For example, sitting in my balcony, I enjoyed the outside view. Your balcony is a concrete noun. An abstract noun is the word that names a quality, feeling, idea, or condition of someone or something that cannot be touched. An abstract noun is uncountable. For example, he is a man of wisdom. Here, wisdom is an abstract noun. A countable noun has singular and plural forms and can be written with a number. An uncountable noun is a mass noun. It cannot be written with a number before it. For example, a bar of chocolate is all I need to feel energetic. Here, bar is countable noun and chocolate is uncountable noun. A compound noun is made up of two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. For example, we will go for shopping on the weekend. Here, the word weekend is a compound noun. Common noun can be classified into four genders: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. For example, men are to women as bulls are to cows. Here, men is masculine gender. Woman is feminine gender. Bulls, masculine gender. Cows, feminine gender. Words that are of common gender do not indicate if a noun is male or female. For example, agent, child, baker, etc. Here, the word agent does not mention it's a female or male, so it is common gender. Words that are of neuter gender name objects and abstract nouns. For example, hospital, water, tree, etc. The gender of a word affects other words in a sentence. For example, the cow licked her calf. Here, the word cow is a feminine gender. A proper noun is a special name given to someone something, or someplace. For example, is that the English grammar and composition workbook? Here the word English grammar and composition is proper noun. Using exact common nouns in description, make your sentences clear and vivid. Using proper nouns in your description, make information more specific. A gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. A gerund can be the subject or object of the verb in a sentence. For example, hunting is banned in India. Here, the word hunting is a gerund. Nouns are also name activities. If you can write a determiner before a word, then it's a noun. A gerund can be the subject or object of the verb in a sentence. For example, the dance was mesmerizing. Here the word the is a determiner and dance is an activity. Some words function as nouns and verbs. For example, can you bank on a lazy friend to wake you up in the morning? Here, the word bank is used as a verb. The bank near my house was looted in broad daylight last week.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.